This is Electric Universe Eyes, and today I wanted to share some more information and a video from the Columbia University Center for Radiological Research. I was emailed this information and I thought it was very important that the world understands that while this is not the cure for the COVID-19 situation we're all facing, it is something that we could easily implement in public spaces to help curb the spread of this virus by the simplicity of light. Using the power of light, preventing the airborne spread of coronavirus and influenza virus. Over the past few years, we've developed a promising technique to prevent the airborne transmission of viruses like influenza virus, which we would expect to be effective for coronavirus too. In short, the idea is to use the power of light. Here's how it works. It's well known that conventional germicidal ultraviolet UV light reduces the person-to-person transmission of viruses through the air by killing the viruses while they are in the air. Unfortunately, conventional germicidal UV light is a safety hazard, as it causes skin cancer and eye problems. What we have come up with is a particular type of UV light called far UVC light with a wavelength around 220 nanometers, which has only a very short range in biological material, so that it cannot penetrate the dead cell layer at the surface of our skin, nor can it penetrate into our eyes. So it can't reach or damage any living cells in our body. But it can penetrate and kill viruses floating in the air, simply because viruses are incredibly small. In short, exposure to far UVC light is safe for people, but potentially lethal for viruses in the air. We've worked a lot on both the safety aspects of far UVC light as well as its efficacy at killing viruses, and it's looking very promising. A couple of companies have developed practical, inexpensive far UVC lamps, and a US lighting fixture company is incorporating the far UVC lamps into conventional light fittings. The big picture idea is that these lamps could be incorporated into conventional light fittings so that they would be very easy to install in public spaces such as airports, train stations, airplanes, etc. To us, it looks like one of the very few approaches that has the potential to prevent the spread of coronavirus as opposed to curing it. You can learn more about our research on the use of far UVC light to limit the spread of COVID-19 and how you can help by visiting crowdfund.columbia.edu/pages/CUIMC-research. Credit for this video to crr.columbia.edu and YouTube channel Center for Radiological Research, RARAF. Please visit the website and subscribe to their channel for more information.